Good night. As you know, my name is Nish, and I'll be your student trainer for this project. Um, for the assessment, we will be conducting 5 tests. We'll basically be testing on flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and body composition. So, for the flexibility test, we do a test we call sit and reach. So, basically, sees how far you can reach. So, what you're we usually use equipment for this test, but since I'm not on campus, I'll have to improvise. So, for your test, I would recommend you use a ruler or a measuring tape, and also to have someone there that can record the results for you so you don't have to be multitasking because the results would not be accurate. So, for the time being, I'll be using a broomstick just to demonstrate. So you will sit with your legs fully straight, feet dorsiflex, and what you will do is you will place one hand on top of the other, just like how I have so, and basically, I'm just giving myself a little stretch. So basically, you will just reach as far as you can without bouncing, and wherever you land on your ruler or measuring tape, you will measure. And you will do that 2 times with at least a 2-minute break between. So that's one test. And then, okay. Secondly, you will do the muscular strength test, which will be push-ups. So for that one, since you're a woman, you will have to do the lady push-ups. So for the push-ups, you will have your knees on the floor, hands and knees, and you will lay your feet flat on the floor as I'm doing so. And what you will do, you will basically go forward, make sure your arms are shoulder width apart, and what you do is just go down. You'll start with your chest on the floor as I'm doing right now, and you'll push up and down, up and down. Whatever pace you decide, it would be recommended that you keep the same pace to make the results as accurate as possible. Then for the muscular endurance test, we will do some sit-ups. So for sit-ups, feet in a 90-degree angle. I would recommend someone hold your feet, but if not, as I'm doing, you can use the couch to hold your feet. So as we're in a 90-degree angle, so as we're in a 90-degree angle, what you're gonna do is put your hands behind your head, just so I have it here. You're gonna go back and up, making sure that you're holding your abs in, and do that as much times as possible. So for those 2 tests, the push-ups and the sit-ups, there'll just be one trial. Then for the cardiovascular test, we would use the cycle ergometer test, which basically you're on a bicycle, the exercise bikes, and pedaling for start at 3 minutes, see where your heart rate, blood pressure is at. But since I don't have that equipment as well, and neither do you, a unique way I can test is the 3-minute step test. So this test will basically measure how quickly your heart rate returns to normal after exercise. So the goal is to step on and off of a bench, or as I've previously recommended, a stair. That's why I've asked if you have stairs in your house. So what you will do is step on and off that object for 3 minutes straight while keeping a constant pace. So we'll see how quickly your heart rate goes up and down. And then for body composition, being that I do not have any skinfold calibers, BIA, or any other equipment, I will personally ask to, if it's all right with you, to get your weight and your height. That way I can conduct a BMI test, which doesn't exactly measure body fat, but it'll help in having the project. So those are the 5 tests for right now. Um, if you have any other goals, please let me know so that way we can include those into the program, and hope to hear from you soon. Till next time.